Pati CTV. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka court admission na kamta ka nursing but paramedical course, ka bala itu da ka Indian Nursing Council, ka by admission ka ba dunatam, but she's pa percent ka Jingkyrshan. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Usembut mitirang ba kajelau ba sniaw halang thar ubadeiru National Vicepresident ke NPP uloong ba President jong Kasi Author Society u Dr. DRL Nonglait ulayo ya ka Jingkyrshan na Baroh. Ha ka Jingkyrshan mikla pathai khubor uba dhar ula kentu yiki pat ba nong thep wot bakin a ya ka Jingkyrshan ya Dr. Nonglait kenang ba undup la ban bud din ya ka jingdawa ban pendrung ya ka ketin Kasi ha ka kernit ka bapra jong kriti sensyar ke di India andaw la syajit kum UMP sya parliament.
This coming by-election of the Lok Sabha mo, kung mengikan menin nagaling jong nga personally nakong apan songo ay ko boleh kerpang kayeng jong Dr. DRL Nonglait ula ping jong terwajib parti tengah pej menin hingi kum ke parti ke disiplin jong ibung sila mi kwa dikay ko dingim jole marway kum ginong yalam takata de ka daw khot lang menin na Baroh leader jong live untuk di blok kum kadak jong keskilang kum kadak jong ka bengitri lang ngirai lang hakaduro bentaro temenin ngapai kadak jong jingmen ni sokmen bau doktor latre ta nakaling jong kum ka parti ni haptre bat med ban mesin kramin la ban mantra ka jing job kan de jong ka jing job jong uhi ka de ka jing job jong ka state bro ko namar phi namar so tu i da ka jing kan jong menindo ka de ka jing kan la de pa very very good sign kumbuong hi ngawan sa politics nagmataban tay ka jay bro nagmataban penduk ban pendam ikan kencing isi para jay bro mar so tu ui lading mi para bro kumung ini jay bro. That is the statement from the side very clear ka desi shahi uburu bara mature now tengiru kum ka party boromi ya statement jung pasot nat bam ka speech jung tengah tarang ka pardo i kun jung ka state bari samla kap number ko to aila diu mangin pej kanang long sakri bahata mi kum ka state bro ko ban represent sa parliament long mentai to is too early to say on that but kat maring depend manaman official candidate ka report ka bangis ka bangin yo it seems he's accepted by all. It seems accepted by all. Nakiling Baroh.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks. We help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on Mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.